Losing your hair? Tired of hiding and looking older than you really are? You don't have to anymore. Now you can restore your real hair permanently. One visit, one day.
Do you believe in miracles? Do you believe in miracles? This is beyond my wildest expectation.
You can achieve a thicker, fuller, completely natural-looking hairline.
They have the experience, the state-of-the-art technology, not just technology, state-of-the-art.
Men and women have already transformed their look and their confidence, earning positive reviews across Nova, Virginia.
I'm definitely more confident. I'm not afraid. I have to worry about that anymore.
With flexible financing options available, it's more affordable than you might expect. And your investment is supported by a real results guarantee. Visit our website today to take advantage of our exclusive offers.